Hello, everyone. I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, CEO, Adrenaline Global Online Coaching Platform. Now, as many schools are already bringing out are already giving the cutoff marks, right, for you to be able to apply for their post UTME, right? It is high time every student started studying for their post UTME because that will be the final lap. Now, in this series of video that we're going to be working on, we're working on episodes on chemistry post UTME last year question that may probably be asked this year. So, without wasting time, we'll just go straight. But before then, we are currently running an online post UTME. The fee is very affordable. And you are applying for UNIBEN, in which we have in which we are partnering with the University of Benin. You are vying to enter into Unilag, OAU, UI, just name them. This video is for you. Now the question says, all D block elements are referred to as transition elements. This name is true for what? These are the options. You are given options like the three rows element, one row of elements with partially filled d orbitals, elements which are colored. And we should understand that all transition elements are D block elements, but not all D block elements are transition elements. Now, what are transition elements? Now, transition elements are elements with a partially filled d orbitals, right? While an element is said to be a d block element when its electrons, right, fall under the d orbital. So you see, if you look at the definition now, they are not the same, right? Now, I said for you to be a transition element, you must have in your orbitals presence of partially filled d orbitals. So as you can see from this option, right, the correct answer to this particular question is C, which is elements with partially filled d orbitals. Remember, I've told you that all transition elements are d block elements, but not all d block elements are transition elements, and I gave you the differences between the two of them, right? Elements like zinc, mercury, right, scandium, they are not transition elements, even though they fall under the d block orbitals, right? Take note of that. Okay, now move straight down to question number 2, which says orbitals acquire special stability when they what? These are your options. Now, for an orbital to acquire stability simply means the presence of singly, or the presence of unpaired electrons, right? Unpaired electrons, or the presence of a paired electrons. That what account for the stability, right? You see that you are singly filled, right? Meaning, if you like for the d orbital now, if all the orbitals, right, which are called degenerate orbitals with same energy, are singly filled according to Ohm's rule, or they are paired, that is what account for the special stability of what now? Orbital. So the correct answer here is C. This is post UTME, and in 2026, mark this question down. You will see it. Move straight away to question number 3, which says the following are characteristics of transition melters, with the exception of what? Options are variable oxidation states, colored ions, complex ion formation, high tendency to catenate. Now, the correct answer here is, what do you think should be your answer? Tell me your answer in the comment section below. Now, the correct answer is D, right? Because from A to C, They are all characteristics of transition element. Variable oxidation state, the ions are colored, they have complex ion formation, they have they are mostly paramagnetic and all that. So that this option D is the only one that is not part of the properties of transition elements, because transition elements do not undergo catenation. That is the property of carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. Is that understood now? Now, because I don't want the video to be too long, I will I will cut it here so that we can watch for the part 2 of this particular video. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless you.